Do you want to view PPPoE username and password on your TP-Link router? Then you are at the right place, as here is how to do so. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method: view PPoE username and password on your TP-Link router. To view the hidden PPPoE password on your TP-Link router, follow these steps. Open your web browser. Type the router's IP address, usually 192.168.0.1 or 192.168.1.1, into the address bar and press enter. Log in with your admin username and password. The default credentials are often admin for both. Go to Advanced Settings section. From the Quick Setup menu, set your time zone, then click on Next. If you are setting up the router for the first time, then you will be automatically redirected to the Quick Setup menu. In that case, there is no need to navigate to the Advanced tab. Next, select PPPoE, type the username and password. From Secondary Connection, select Dynamic IP, then select Next. Now, if the password is hidden, to reveal the password, right-click on the password field, which will be hidden as dots or asterisks. Select Inspect or Inspect Element from the context menu. This will open the browser's Developer Tools. In the Developer Tools window, locate the line of code that corresponds to the password field. It will look something like this. Change the type attribute from password to text so it looks like this. Press enter or click outside the input field to apply the change. The hidden password will now be visible in the password field. Remember to change the input type back to password after viewing it to ensure the password remains hidden from others. And there you have it, the way to view PPPoE username and password on your TP-Link router. We hope the method has worked for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know about the video. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.